Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to answer for practice paper number 1. So in this practice paper number, total 4 practice paper, let us answer today. In this video, let us answer the first paper. So that is related to physics. So let us see what is the first question of this first paper. That is, the first question is, the commercial unit of electrical energy is joule, watt, calorie, kilowatt hour. So the answer for the first question is option D. The commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour. So for first question, option D, kilowatt hour is the right answer. Then second question, the resistance of a conductor is 27 ohm. If it is cut into 3 equal parts and connected in parallel, then its total resistance is. So one conductor ಇದೆ, ಅದರದ್ದು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 27 ಓಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ 3 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 27 ಓಮ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಇಂಟು 3 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ R1, R2 and R3. Each part will have a resistance of 9 ohm, and all these three are connected in parallel. So 1 over Rp is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. So 1 over Rp is equal to 1 over R1 is 9 plus 1 over R2 is 9 plus 1 over R3 is also 9. So 1 over Rp is equal to, all the denominators are same, add the numerator. So it will be equal to 3 by 9. 3 ones are 3 threes. So 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 3. So now what will be the reciprocal? Rp. What is the reciprocal? 3 ohm. So therefore the total, if all the three are connected in parallel, the total resistance is 3 ohm. Option B, 3 ohm is the right answer. Now let us move for question number 3. That is second main, that is third question. So second main, third question, state Ohm's law. So let us state the Ohm's law. So at constant temperature, current flowing through a conductor is proportional to potential difference across its end. So this is Ohm's law. Now that is fourth question. What are the factor depends on resistance of a conductor? So resistance of a conductor depends on what factor? Let us see. So second main, fourth question. So resistance depend upon what factor? So resistance depends on length of the conductor. It depends upon length of the conductor. It depends upon area of cross section. It depends upon area of cross section. Then it depends on nature of material. It depends upon nature of material. And it depends upon temperature of conductor. It depends upon the temperature of the conductor. On these four factors, it depends. R is equal to rho L by A. So this is this is the conclusion for these 4 points. So let us move for the fifth question, that is third main. An electric bulb with resistance 50 ohm is connected to 10-volt battery in an electric circuit. Calculate the electric current flowing through the electric bulb and electric power of the bulb. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಕರೆಂಟನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದನ್ನ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬಲ್ಬನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಬಲ್ಬ್ದು, ಮತ್ತು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು 10 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪವರ್. ಸೊ ಡೇಟಾ ಇನ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ resistance is equal to 50 ohm. Then voltage is given as 10 volts. So now we have to calculate I as well as P, current and power. So I is equal to V by R according to Ohm's law. So I is equal to V andre 10, R andre it will be 50, 10 ones are 10 5s. So I is equal to, you divide 1 by 5, you will get 0.2 ampere. So this is the current. Now let us calculate the power. So P is equal to V square by R. So P is equal to V square is 10 square, that is 10 into 10 divided by R is 50. So 10 ones are 10 5s are 5 ones are 5 2s. Therefore power is equal to 2 watt. So like this we have to calculate the power. So power is equal to 2 watt. Now let us move for question number 6. In the question number 6 they have given how are ammeter and voltmeter connected in the circuit, what is their function? A question. B, will current flow more easily through thick or thin wire of the same material? What happens to the resistance of a conductor when area of the when area of cross section is doubled? So now sixth one, 3 sub questions are there. That is first sub question ಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. How are ammeter and voltmeter connected in the circuit ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ammeter ಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. So ammeter, it is always connected. It is always connected in series. It is an instrument. It is an instrument used to measure. It is an instrument used to measure the electric current. Used to measure the electric current. Then voltmeter. It is always connected in parallel. It is always connected. It is always connected in parallel. It is an instrument. It is an instrument used to measure. It is an instrument used to measure the voltage. This is A question. Then in that one, B question is, will current flows more easily through thick or thin wire of the same material? So current will flow easily through thick wire. It flows easily through thick wire. Then the third question is, what happens to the resistance of a conductor when area of cross section is doubled? So when area is doubled, when area of cross section is doubled, When area of cross section is doubled, resistance reduces to half. Resistance reduces to half because resistance is inversely proportional to resistance is inversely proportional to area of cross section. So here the main answer is this one. So resistance reduces to half. When area of cross section is doubled, resistance reduces to half. So by this we have completed the physics part. Now let us move for the chemistry part. So let us move for chemistry part. Chips manufacturers flush the packets of chips with nitrogen gas because among these four options the right option is that is to prevent oxidation. So option A to prevent oxidation. Otherwise food items will give foul smell. Next, let us move for 8th question. When an iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution, the color of the solution changes. Why? Because due to displacement reaction. Now let us move for question number 9. In the question number 9 they have given name the brown substance formed when lead nitrate is heated. So when lead nitrate is heated, it forms a brown substance called oxides of nitrogen. It is a brown fume. Now let us move for question number 10, that is 7th mean. So what is redox reaction? So Fe2O3 plus 2Al give rise to Al2O3 plus 2Fe. So name the reactant that is oxidized and name the reactant that is reduced. So here first let us answer what is redox reaction. So what is redox reaction? A reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. So CuO plus H2 give rise to Cu plus H2O. So in that one more question is there. So Fe2O3 plus 2Al give rise to Al2O3 plus 2Fe. So in that one A question, name the reactant that is oxidized. So aluminium is oxidized. Then in that one, name the reactant that is reduced. So ferric oxide is reduced. So this is for 10th question. Now let us move for 11th one. So in the 11th question they have given draw a neat diagram of electrolysis of water and label the parts. So we have to write a neat label diagram of electrolysis of water. Now let us move for 12th question. A solution of substance X is used for whitewashing. Name the substance X and its formula. Write the reaction of the substance X with water. What is the type of reaction? So let us answer the question number 12 now. That is a solution of substance X is used for whitewashing. Name the substance X and its formula. So substance, that is question number 12. So substance is, the substance X is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide, which is called as quicklime. Then that is for first question, calcium oxide, that is its formula is CaO. Second one, write the reaction of the substance X with water. So CaO plus H2O give rise to CaOH taken twice plus heat. In that one's third question, what is the type of reaction? It is an, since energy is released, it is an exothermic reaction. It is an exothermic reaction. So this is the answer for question number 12. Now let us move for ninth main, question number 13. So in the question number 13 they have given, so write the balanced chemical equation for the following and identify the type of the reaction in each case. So write the balanced chemical equation, no? And identify the type of reaction in each case. Two questions are given. Hydrogen reacts with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride. Zinc carbonate give rise to zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. So now let us answer both the question now. So in 13th A is, so hydrogen reacts with chlorine, that is H2 plus Cl2 give rise to 2HCl. This is the balanced equation, and it is what type of reaction he asked? It is a combination reaction because two reactants combine together to form a single product. In second one, zinc carbonate, that is ZnCO3, when it is heated, it decomposed into zinc oxide and liberates carbon dioxide. So here it is a thermal decomposition reaction. So because since heat is provided, it is thermal decomposition reaction. So now let us move for, that is 10th main, that is let us move for the part called biology. So chemistry over. Now let us move for biology part. The first question of the biology part is the part of the digestive system which receive bile juice from liver, food pipes, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. So the right option is option C, that is question number 14. Option C, small intestine. That is the duodenum of the small intestine will receive. Now let us move for question number 15, that is 11th main, question number 15. So question number 15 is give example for a parasite plant anta kelidiyane, that is cascata. So cascata is a parasitic plant. Then 16th one, what is the function of guard cell? So the function of guard cell is it helps in opening and closing of stomata. So this is the function of, that is guard cells. Now let us move for question number that is 12th main, 17th one. Name the food components which are digested by the following enzymes. So let us answer question number 17 now. So in the question number 17, that is 12th main, so they have given, name the that is food components which are digested anta ide. So trypsin anta kottiyare. It helps in digestion of proteins. Then second one, lipase. It helps in digestion of fats. Then third one, pepsin. It helps in digestion of proteins. It helps in digestion of proteins. Then amylase, that is pancreatic amylase. It helps in digestion of carbohydrates. It helps in digestion of carbohydrates. So these are the food components that are digested by the following, that is enzymes. Now 18th question. Write the breakdown of glucose, the glucose pathway or glycolysis. So let us write the pathway for the breakdown of glucose. So this is 13th main, that is question number 18. So glucose, which is a 6 carbon compound, is converted into, in the cytoplasm of a cell, it is converted into 3 carbon compound called pyruvate. So pyruvate, so what happens next? That depends upon absence of oxygen, then presence of oxygen, and lack of oxygen. It depends upon absence of oxygen, presence of oxygen, and lack of oxygen. So this I will write in the next page. So let us write in a proper way. So glucose, which is a 6 carbon compound, is converted into, in the cytoplasm of a cell, it is converted into 3 carbon compound called pyruvate. This pyruvate, in absence of oxygen, in presence of oxygen, and in lack of oxygen. Pyruvate in absence of oxygen. Pyruvate in presence of oxygen, and in lack of oxygen. So pyruvate in absence of oxygen is converted into ethanol, C2H5OH, that is ethanol, carbon dioxide, and releases 2 ATP of energy. Pyruvate in presence of oxygen is converted into carbon dioxide, water, and releases 36 ATP of energy. Pyruvate in lack of oxygen in muscle cells, it is converted into lactic acid and releases small amount of energy. So this is how to write the pathway for the breakdown of glucose. The last question of this paper, practice paper 1, is write the sectional view of human heart and label the following parts. One is aorta, another one is septum. So this is the practice paper number 1. So still those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos, and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Once again, thank you very much. So in the next video we are going to solve, we are going to answer the, that is practice paper number 2. So thank you very much.